Hello, you are welcome back to this particular training series. So in this video, I want to show you the sample application we want to develop. I have already developed a sample one, so I'm going to show you the exact thing we want to do in that particular application development. So I'm going to run a sample one we have developed, and I'm going to show you different things on that particular application. Don't panic. I'm still going to teach you a lot of things: how to install the NetBeans, how to install the WAMP server, how to install the JDK and the rest like that. So I'm just testing a sample application here. So be rest assured, everything is step by step. So to test my application, I'll click on this particular green button, which is the run button, to run my application. You can see this is the login system. There's a particular staff ID, which is 5 in my users table in the database. Then his supply, his username is Ade, then his password is also Ade. Then you click on login in order to log in. Since the details are correct, which means this particular person exists in my database, it says congratulations, correct details. Otherwise, it will give me an error sign. Click on OK. You can see it has brought in the main interface. This is where all operation resides on. For example, I have what we call the menu here. The menu consists of different menu items: add user, search user, delete user, update user, view all users, and exit this particular application. If you click on exit, it will tell you, are you sure you want to close? If you click on no, the application still remains on your interface. We also have shortcut buttons here. You can see the first one is user operation and the second one is staff operation. Under the user operation, you can click on add user. For example, let's add a new user called Ola, and let his password also be Ola as you decide. Confirm the password. Let me confirm the password as Ola AA, which is different from the password that I've supplied. So here I have supplied a password that does not match. If you click on add user, it will tell you password do not match, which is what? An authentication message. But if the password match, such as Ola again, it will tell you user created, which means user Ola now exists in my database. This reset button is to reset everything I've entered into the text field. These are text fields. Each of these are text fields, and each of this is a label. If you click on reset, it will reset what is on the interface and clear everything off. I can click on cancel in order to cancel the login interface. Another button I want to demonstrate is search user. There's a particular user that now exists with ID 6. If you click on search user, it will bring the user details. ID 6, his username is Ade Ola. You can remove this. If you want to delete any user, let's say we want to delete Adeola from our database, supply is user ID, search for it, it exists, then click on delete. It will tell you, are you sure you want to delete? If you click on no, it does not delete Adeola. But if you click on yes, it deletes the user Adeola and it tells you one row deleted. I can also reset this interface to clear off everything I've entered into the text fields. I can then cancel this particular interface. So the next thing I want to show you is to update user interface. Click on update, search for that particular user. Let's say 5. Does he exist? Yes, Ade. Now you can update that particular username to Adeola. So update to tell you one row updated. You clear this. If you supply is ID again, it will tell you the username is now Adeola. Let me reset and cancel. The same thing is applicable to this add staff. You can add variety of information into this interface and you register that particular staff. Let's click on cancel. This will take a good time. Then if you want to delete any staff, let's say the staff ID 3, search for the person, staff does not exist. Let's say ID 4, search for that particular staff, staff does not exist. Okay, let's go to 2. Search for that particular staff, is exists. His name is Ade, his other name is Oluwa, then address is Babatunde and his phone number is 08135555555. If you like and delete this particular stuff from the database, if you click on delete, it will tell you, are you sure you want to delete? If you say no, it still remains. And if you click on yes, it deletes this particular stuff in the database. You can also reset. You can cancel this. You can search for any stuff you want. Let's say ID2. Search for that particular stuff. You can see staff ID is 2. His first name is ID, and there are enough information about that particular staff in the database. So you can also update the staff as you like. Let's say you supply his ID2. His record will be supplied there, and you can update Oluwa to Oluwajoba. You can say update. That's updated one record. Click on OK. You reset. If you supply 2 again, you see that it has updated the other names to Oluwajoba. Reset, and you want to cancel. This is just the brief overview of the application we want to develop. So be rest assured that after this particular training series, you will be able to develop this sample application and be able to use this as a template in order to develop your own personal application. Stay tuned, subscribe more, and we are going to meet in the next class. Thank you very much. Bye bye.